Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Live Translate on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So Live Translate breaks down language barriers during a phone call. So it listens to the person you're speaking with, translates the word and presents them on your screen while also translating your word for them. So let me show you how to turn this feature on and how to use it. So first we'll go ahead and open up the phone app, then tap on the three dots and then tap on settings. Now next, you want to go ahead and find Live Translate. Tap on this and turn this feature on. Now you want to go ahead and choose your language. So choose a language for yourself. So let's just say I'll speak Hindi from my side. You can go ahead and choose your voice. You can go ahead and mute the voice, but I'll just go ahead and leave it. Next, for the other person. So say for example, I'm speaking Thai with the other person. So we'll go ahead and choose Thai. We can go ahead and choose a voice and so on. So now we'll go ahead and make a call. So now in the call, you want to go ahead and tap on Call Assist and then tap on Live Translate. This will now start to live translate. So this is the other person speaking Hindi and myself, I'll speak, let's say, Thai.
आप कैसे हो?
So as you can see, it has translated how are you in Hindi to Thai. So let's go ahead and speak something in Thai. Chơ lai kap. And as you can see, it has translated that into Hindi. So this makes cross-language communication possible with zero external apps. So it's ideal for international travel, global businesses, and connecting with friends and family from different cultures. Conversation feels fluid, even if neither person speaks the other language. So it's like having a live translator in your phone, no extra hardware, software, or any awkward delays. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on Live Translate on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.